So here I have a Roland foot pedal for a keyboard, electric keyboard, and sometimes it's not working, that the continuous sound, there's a contact switch and there's a pot in there, so if you look in there, there's a pot. So I'm just going to be opening this up to have a look and see if we can fix the issue. Okay, so there's a couple screws here, and it could be just a little bit of rust on the contact of the potentiometer inside. That's my guess anyways. So there's the bottom. We can see all the goodies in here. And so there's a pot there, and as the pedal is pushed down, it moves that pot. So I'm going to spray some contact spray on that pot there. And here's the little switch. Let's check out the wires. The wires seem okay. There's this little switch here. I wonder what that does. I don't know. What does that little thing do? Oh, okay. It also detects when the pedal is pushed down. It puts on this. So this must detect if the pedal's pushed down. So maybe it's a problem with that switch. Let me use the multimeter and see if there's a contact between there when I push it in. So I have my multimeter here. We'll get it in continuity mode, and then let's connect here and here, and then I'll push. So that's contact, and then when it's pushed, it's not contact. So that seems to be working fine. I'm just going to use some contact spray just to spray my contacts and this pot. This. Okay, and I think that it could have been that just this. Okay. You can see that little switch down in there. Yeah, it's hitting it. So let's give it a yeah. That should be good. Okay. We'll put the metal plate back on. Let's double check that is correct. There we go. So this is continuous, and it has a little switch there, and in there it basically has that pot. So contact spray, just try it and just make sure that that switch is working. Should get you back, because I think it was just rusty. Because if it's, you know, there's a lot of moisture that could get in potentially in there because there's no cover right when the pedal is being pushed in. So, alright. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped out. If you enjoy electronics or want to learn about how to fix electronics, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.